Are you interested in learning about trading? Whether you're new to the world of trading or a seasoned pro, there are always new strategies, techniques, and insights to be gained. So, in this video, we'll be sharing the top 10 books for learning trading, both fundamental and technical analysis. So, first one is a technical analysis of financial markets by John J. Murphy. So it is a comprehensive guide to technical analysis techniques. It covers everything from chart patterns to technical indicators and provides readers with the knowledge they need to make informed trading decisions. Next one, we have Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques by Steve Nissen. And so, by the title, if you want to learn how to read and interpret candlestick charts, this book is for you. Steve Nissen is widely considered to be the father of modern candlestick charting, and this book provides a comprehensive introduction to his techniques. So next we have Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. And so it is a must-read for anyone interested in the psychological aspects of trading. In this book, Mark Douglas emphasizes the importance of discipline, patience, and emotional control. He also provides a practical advice for overcoming the common psychological barriers traders face. Next book are Market Wizards by Jack D. Schwager. Or Schwager, whatever. I am not native speaker. So, the Market Wizards provides a unique perspective on trading by interviewing some of the most successful traders in the world. So basically, it's like a oldest version of today's podcast, so on and so forth. That is the, we can say, theme of the book. It provides, this unique perspective by interviewing some of the world's successful traders in the world, and he interviews the author, Jack D. Schwager, interviews the traders like Paul Tudor Jones, Ed Seykota, and Bruce Kovner, which provide valuable insight into their trading philosophy and approach. So we have the next book, which is Reminiscence of a Stock Operator by Edwin Lafavre. And so this book tells the story of Jesse Livermore. So maybe you heard about this guy. He's one of the most successful traders, aka speculators, we could say, of all time. The book provides valuable insights into Livermore's trading philosophy and approach, and is a must-read for anyone interested in the history of trading. But I need to warn you, do not get into this book too much and I don't want to spoil it too much. It doesn't end well for the main character. So, next one is the technical analysis explained by Martin J. Pring. And so, it is a comprehensive, again, guide to technical analysis tools and techniques. It covers everything from chart patterns to technical indicators and provides readers with the knowledge they need to make informed trading decisions. So, next one is How to Make Money in Stocks by William J. O'Neill. And so again, it focuses on CAN-SLIM method, a specific trading strategy that identifies a stock with the potential for growth. And so the book provides a step-by-step guide to the CAN-SLIM method as well as practical advice for implementing the strategy. Now we have The Complete Turtle Trader by Michael W. Covell. And so, this book tells the story, again, of the so-called turtle traders, a group of traders who were trained by Richard Dennis and Bill Eckhart. And so, this book provides insights into their trading philosophy and approach, as well as practical advice, again, for applying techniques. So, again, a book about different trading approach and strategy. So next one we have The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas again. So it is another book by Mark Douglas, as you can see, that this time focuses on psychological aspects of trading, and in this book he emphasizes the importance of discipline and self-control in trading. He also provides insights into the common mistakes that traders make and how to avoid them. And so we can also refer to one of the most popular studies. I can't remember who did the study, but basically they took some group of people, I don't know, it was 20, 30 people, with various background, various age, various, we can say, experience. They gave them some of the basic books, basic, we can say, training about the trading and financial markets. And after some time, a couple of months, they gave them, of course, some money in order to trade in the financial markets. And the person with the best results was the ex-military retired soldier. So basically, you know what is the conclusion here. Namely, it is the person who was the most disciplined. Not with the biggest knowledge, but the most disciplined, who was keeping strictly to the rules that he learned from the books, from the training they gave them. Okay, so we continue with the topic. And the next book is also one of the most popular, which is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. And so the author of The Intelligent Investor was Warren Buffett's teacher himself. And so his book is considered the masterpiece of classical trading. It talks about the impact of macroeconomic processes on financial assets. In fact, this is a guide to how economic indicators and fundamental analysis tools in general, such as inflation and monetary policy, affect the state of the market. And so in this book, the author describes portfolio investments in detail and explains the principles of portfolio management. So Graham's books are quite difficult to understand and are suitable for those who already know a thing or two about trading, but if you find it in you to delve into The Intelligent Investor, it will help you create your own strategies, which, if properly implemented, will bring you a stable income naturally. And so the last book is The Dow Theory by Rhea Robert. And so this is the best Dow theory correction I read, because these are basically articles published by William Peter Hamilton, Robert Rhea, and George Schwager in the Wall Street Journal after the famous Charles H. Dow death. And so in this collection, you can learn about the three main principles of technical analysis and, most importantly, about the concepts of trends and corrections in the market as they were formulated by the author rather than the form in which they are presented in modern literature. And so in general, if you want to understand technical analysis in its original form, take the time to find books on Charles Dow's classic theory online. Books are one way to learn how to work on the exchange, but you should understand that only reading them will, of course, not bring you income. To earn money, you need to apply the acquired knowledge in practice by trading. And so, who seeks millions very rarely finds them, but whoever does not seek never finds. So, do not stand still and look for your ways to earn money, guys. And basically, on that note and with that message, I will leave you here. Hope you like this one. If you read maybe some of the books and you have maybe a different experience than the one that I shared you during this material, of course, feel free to leave a comment down below. Remember, of course, to leave a like if you like this kind of content, and of course, if you want more, just follow this channel. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.